Alright, we're back. Now I'm going to try this rust fix from Duplicolor. I've heard it's kind of the best thing to use. Basically, I'm trying to just stop the rust from spreading. We use the primer stuff over the others, but this stuff I need a fiberglass over. And this stuff says on the bottle, well, it says something for fiberglassing. Either way, it used to say fiberglass on the older cans. But, so this is what we're going to try. Give it a shot, see how it does. I did my best at trying to get this cleaned up. I removed all the paint. I Scotch-Brighted it down. I gave it a douse of some acetone. And let's see how it does. Alright, let's go prep the other side and see how it does over there. I'm doing the shaka. Let's try this side. I got it prepped a little bit. This is my first time trying this, so I know ideally I should probably like sandblast everything down, but I don't have a sandblaster, and this is just a lot of work. I'm trying to get it some sort of substance on it. Oops, that's heavy. You can already see it starting to turn black. Some of that area. It turns it from an iron oxide to an iron... What did it say on the thing? A different form, a different chemical compound. It does a chemical reaction. Well, let's let that work for a while and see
several days later
how it does. Alright, we're back. It's been a little while. I'm going to check on the rust converter. First I want to show you something I did today. It's started snowing already, so we're trying to clear space for the Civic in here. And I made a little perch to hold the hardtop. What I've got is 2 bicycle hooks screwed into the studs like you'd hang a bike, and then I've got a little furring strip across just to kind of avoid any point loads on the fiberglass top. And then, ooh, that's bright. Back here I have a ratchet strap across 2 other bicycle hooks, and then I have hooked it into the back of the topper, of course keeping the topper latched to keep everything in there. And now I'll be able to park the car underneath of it. It's about 6 feet off the ground, so plenty of room for me to park the car under. Alright, let's check on that rust converter. Ooh, nice and black. Still tacky. Said it takes 24 hours to cure. And I put it on kind of thick. I read the instructions afterwards, of course. And yeah. It said to put multiple thin layers on, and I put 1 heavy coat. It said put 2 or 3 thinner coats on. So, you know, when I have other areas in the car, now I kind of know. And it says you got to put them on within 2 minutes of each other. So kind of sounds like putting on 1 heavy coat just with 2 or 3 layers, which is kind of what I did, so maybe it's not too bad. So we'll let this cure. I'm going to leave the heat lamps on it. We got the heat lamps going over there in the back. Try to keep it warm because today's kind of the warmest day we've had in a while. It's got up to like 55. So we need to keep it warm so it cures. So I think that's it for today. Starting to get kind of busy, so it's hard to get dedicated time working on this. So that'll be it for right now. Next episode, I think we'll do a little bracketry, doing something to kind of bridge this from here to here. Maybe just a little sheet metal to go to underneath. Pop rivet it in, just to provide a little support, because I don't want the fiberglass to provide all the support, even though it does a pretty good job, a lot better than it's thought. And maybe up here too. I don't know. There's not a whole lot of weight going on up here. I normally always have the seat down, so the seat just kind of bridges from here to there. So I think that'll be fine with fiberglass, and this will be fine with the fiberglass. We'll just give it a little key. Give the fiberglass something to, you know, cling on to. So otherwise, I think that's it for right now. So thanks everyone for joining me, and you know, tune into the next video to see where we go. Thank you.